Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you all the new collections of LV. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, SKUs, and launch date. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website or your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish blog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start with the new collection of LV. So how beautiful and unique this rickshaw handbag of LV that will be launching January 2nd. Price is 7,550 USD. So the main material, as we could see, is the classic monogram canvas. What I love about this one is it comes with two top handles and detachable leather strap. And as you can see, the shape of this one is like a rickshaw, but it is functional just like a regular speedy. Then we have the carry-all east to west. Price is 2,620 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU, and this would be launching New Year, January 1st, 2026. So price of this one, again, that's 2,620. Main material is the classic monogram canvas. As you can see, the shoulder strap is fully adjustable, made of untreated leather vachetta trims. Then we have the takeout messenger. For the takeout messenger, price is unavailable, but we have the SKU here for your reference, and this would be launching January 2nd, 2026. So for this one guys, the material is calfskin leather, as we can see here, and it comes with cowhide leather trims. I love the zippered back pocket, and of course it comes with detachable leather strap. Then guys, let us go to the continuation of the Darjeeling limited collection in collaboration with LV. So first we have the pocket organizer. So this one is priced at 810 USD. So as we can see here, the main material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, and of course the colorway of this one is like in the cognac or brown colorway. As you can see, it comes with the gold stamping. How gorgeous is this sack plat? So again guys, this collection would be launching January 2nd, 2026. So the price of the sack plat is 4,850 USD. A very unique Louis Vuitton sack plat bag. It comes of course with the leather bag tag, and of course this one would come with detachable leather strap. And as we could see, it comes with the design of the animal print and the palm trees. Then we have another one at Keepall 50. Price of this one is 5,550 USD. So this is the interior. It looks like it comes with the LV logo for the interior, and then the outer part is made of calfskin with the animal print details. So I'm seeing elephant, I'm seeing zebra. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the Darjeeling limited collection in collaboration with LV, it would be the Horizon 55. Just kindly take note and take a screenshot of the SKU, because unfortunately, we do not have the price. So you may check with your CAs and the website, of course. So the main material of this one is the Dame Heritage Coated Canvas, and it comes of course with the animal print detail, just like with the leather version. Then of course this one sack plat mini. So if you're going to, or if I'm going to ask you guys, which are you going to choose? Are you going to choose the demi heritage coated canvas version? The price is 3,300 USD, or you are going to choose the leather version that I've shown you a while ago. So both are beautiful, and actually I love the animal print. So of course it comes with the palm trees. Then of course next we have the DOP kit. So price of the DOP kit is 1,260 USD. SKU N like Nancy 40889. So as you can see, it has the LVM initials on front. So I'm hoping and praying, of course, that they could customize the initials, of course, with the 3 initials on our names. And this is the back part where the reverse of the monogram are the May bean coated canvas. Then we have the Emily notebook cover. So I'm also seeing it comes with initials. Then you are also going to see that it comes with the gold stamping here. So it just says here that they're Darjeeling limited collection. Of course, this is the back part, and as we're going to notice, the interior part, it comes with the May heritage coated canvas with cowhide leather trims as well. Then we have the Anna sunglass case. So price is unavailable, but we have SKU here for your reference, so kindly take a screenshot. So of course, if you want to be matchy with your bags and SLGs, then you may want to purchase the sunglass case. As you can see in front, we have the gazelle. Then of course, this is the label inside of the sunglass case. Then we have the port cards magnet, so 520 USD. So the design of this one is the giraffe. I love, of course, the colorway of the giraffe over the brown colorway of the May heritage coated canvas. Of course, it comes with cowhide leather trims, and of course the port cards magnet. You could stick this one at the back of our phones. Then if you are also feeling fancy, they have a sketchbook. So perhaps for you, perhaps a perfect gift for your designer friends. Then price of this one is 230 USD. Main material is the May heritage coated canvas, and it comes with cowhide leather trim. So guys, so it would be a perfect gift for your designer, just like myself. So hint hint. Then we have the multiple wallet. So multiple wallet is priced at 680 USD. Actually guys, I'm kind of liking I'm falling in love with the May heritage coated canvas, even with or without the print. Actually, even without the print, I would still be in love with this design. So of course, it comes with cowhide leather trims. This is the back part with 3 animal design with 3 palm trees as well. Then another gift item, so we have the J notebook. So the J notebook, as you can see, so this is the interior, plain white paper, and then inside we have here the stamping, and of course the outer part and the back part is made of the May heritage coated canvas with cowhide leather trims, and it comes with a marker as well. Next on the collection, so another SLG, we have the double card holder. So this one, the design is rhino, of course same design and same material with the May heritage coated canvas, and the interior is cowhide leather trims with the gold stamping, and of course we have the LV initials at the back. So I'm praying guys that you could really customize these letters. Next on the collection, so we have the nail NM or new model. Price is 3,250 USD. So I'm pretty sure everyone already knows how I feel about the nail messenger bag, because I feel it is very functional, and I love of course the top handle that it comes with and the longer strap that it comes with, so you could wear this one as a crossbody as well. So this is the interior, fabric interior with that design. Then of course they also have this one guys, I really love, Pochette Voyage size MM. Price is 1,350 USD. So if I'm going to purchase this one, you know of course what I would be doing instantly. I would be turning this one as a shoulder bag. Of course you just need to purchase the inserts from any online shop, then turn it into crossbody or as a shoulder bag. Then we have the cuff front accessories. So this one we have the SKU of course. So the main material is the May heritage coated canvas. I love the gold hardware that it comes with, like with the trunk details, the S-lock for closure. So this is the interior. We are seeing the Louis Vuitton logo on the cover. Then of course this is how it looks inside. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a back emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!